Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake jello step by step. Bloom the gelatin in cold water for 5 minutes, then dissolve it in hot milk. Beat softened cream cheese with sugar and vanilla until silky, then fold in whipped cream gently. Combine the gelatin mixture with the cheese base and pour over a prepared graham crust. Chill until set and serve with fresh berries for a light, creamy dessert. Start by whipping cold, heavy cream to soft peaks and set aside. In a separate bowl, beat room temperature cream cheese with sugar and vanilla until silky smooth. Warm milk with dissolved gelatin and cool slightly before combining. Slowly fold the gelatin mixture into the cheese mixture, then gently fold in whipped cream to keep airiness. Pour onto your crust evenly and tap the pan to remove bubbles for an even. Place the cheesecake jello in the fridge on a level surface so it sets evenly for at least 4 hours. When ready, run a hot, dry knife along the edges to release slices cleanly. Garnish with fresh berries, a bit of lemon zest, or a light drizzle of fruit syrup for contrast. Serve chilled on dessert plates and enjoy the creamy, jiggly texture that makes this recipe a crowd pleaser at any gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.